Good morning everyone! So for today's video ay papakita ko sa inyo may nakuha akong libre. Muntik ko na tong makalimutan. Ano to, libre ito guys. Wala akong binayaran, char. Wala akong binayaran. So ito talaga guys, ito talaga mga guys, mga bash, mga blah blah. Ito talaga ay nalibre ko to nung bumili ako ng laptop para sa aking tatay. Yan, sinurprise ko kasi yung aking tatay, binilang ko ng laptop. So ito yung nakuha ko. Char, libre lang to. So gusto niyo malaman kung ano to? Tara, buksan natin. Libre lang to. Libre. Hindi rin siya libre, no? Kasi, parang kasama rin yun sa binayaran mo. Yung feeling ko ganun. Kasi, ang mahal nun, tapos, may kasamang ito. Baka nga nakaset yun. Parang, yun. Libre. Buksan natin. Ready na ba kayong makita kung anong nasa loob? Anong nasa loob nito? 1, 2. So, binili ko to ng May. 1, 2, 3. Excited. Char. Excited. Nakita yung mga stickers ko. So, ayan. Meron ako mga stickers dito. Yan. Bitcoin, blah, 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 blah. Yan. So, bubuksan na natin to guys, no? Buksan na natin ito. Huwag na natin patagalin pa. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait lang. 1, 2, 3. Surprise! So ito yung naman. First ay meron siyang lakas ng ulan dito. Pero maganda naman yung ulan kasi para malamig. Kasi sobrang init ito sa taas pagka hindi maulan. So buksan natin. Ito ay portable coffee cup. No, portable coffee cup daw. Balik natin pag mapagsuela natin. Ooh! Wow! Ayan. Lagyan mo siya ng coffee. Let's buksan natin. Ayan. Wow! Ano? Ganda siya. Wow! Libre! Mahal siguro to kasi maganda yung better together. Nakalagay, better together. Better together. Together, better. Meron pa siyang instruction. User manual. Let me check. Okay. Let me check. So, user manual. I can't read. Maliit masyado. I can't read. The letters so small. That hurts my eyes. Okay, next items. Next item. So how many items inside? 2. Okay, next is this one. So this one is tote bag. Cool. Let's see. Wow! Uy, meron ding instruction. Nalaglag. Gamitin ang ating galing ng pa kumuha ng user manual. We have our user manual too. Pero, like I said, hindi ko mabasa kasi maliit. Malabo kasi mata ko. Yay! So nice! Very beautiful. Oh my goodness, I like it. Oh wow, I can use this when I go to when I go out. Maybe when I travel, I can put my food here. Yes. So yeah, when I travel next time, I'm going to bring this one. I can put my lunch here, or dinner or something, or food, whichever. I can put some candies, biscuits inside this bag. And then let's see inside it. It's very nice. And then we have a zipper here, so you can put your important thing. Charot. You can put your cell phone here or your money here, and then you can close. And then yeah, like that. It will be safe. You can put your money right here. So what is this? Oh, there's a small packet, so I can put some coins here too, or maybe small letter receipt like that. So made in where? Let me check. This is made from. So 2 items in the bags. Together be better, be happy. It's one way of being wise. Sana wise. So let's see. Let's see. Tingnan natin kung made from where, which country. Let me see. I think this is made in China. I can see it here. Better together. There is no. Where is it? There is no tag. What country? Made from what country? I have no idea. I can't see it here. Made from where? Huh. I have to use my magic. Okay. So, okay, let's see. Oh. Manufacture date July 18, 2023. Made in China as usual. Well, but I think this is matibay. Kasi mukha naman siyang matibay. Hindi naman kasi lahat ng gawa China is hindi matibay. Meron din namang matibay, meron din hindi matibay. It depends siguro kung mumurahin, syempre light materials. Pero yung halimbawa, mamahalin, I'm sure nagagamitin nila yung best quality. So, it's depend the price. I think like that. Yeah. So, we can't really judge if made from China or made from where, because sometimes English ko na. So, kasi minsan kasi pag made in China, sabi natin madaling masira. Kasi minsan kasi ang pinipili natin is made in China na mumurahin. Meron din naman kasi made in China good quality. Depende kasi yan sa quality. Ito pang mumurahin, hindi naman na pwedeng gamitan ng mamahaling gamit kung mura lang yun. So, yun na siguro ang nila. Mumurahin, mura din yung gamit. Madaling masira. Pero sa mamahalin, mga high quality material. So, medyo pricey, pero matibay. Made in China pa din. Siguro, depende talaga sa kung magkano. Mahal ba siya or mura ba siya. Yun siguro. So, that's all for today's video. Very nice. Ooh. Very, talaga siya. Very, I like it. Mukhang matibay. Thank you for watching. Bye. Thank you for watching. Bye. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye for now. See you on my next vlog. Bye.